Meg mother-in-law posted court paper, ConfirmMEG adultered. In this video, we're going to talk about the post that Leslie Engelson, Meghan Markle's ex-mother-in-law, had publicly released the year Meghan and Trevor decided to go to court to get a divorce. Hey friends, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. We value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts on the topic discussed. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or ideas in the comments section below. Recently, an internet user came across a post that Leslie Engelson, Meg's mother-in-law, had made public the year Meg and Trevor decided to go to court to get a divorce. In that post, there were several documents relating to the prenuptial marriage agreements that Meg had drawn up and forced Trevor to follow. One of the most important documents presented to the court confirmed that the main reason for the divorce was Meghan Markle's extramarital affair, while she still had a legal obligation of marriage to Trevor. Attached is one of the most important documents presented to the court, which confirms that the main reason for the divorce was Meghan Markle having an affair while she still had a legal obligation of marriage to Trevor on paper. Seeking solace, Trevor called Thomas Markle, Meg's father, who found out about the news, and both were stunned. I explained to Trevor that Meg's true love was being an actress, probably more than anything else. You marry the business, and I keep telling people that I married the business, Meg married the business, and it ruined many of her relationships. I believe she devoted herself to a TV show, said Meg's father. Thomas called Doria and found that she already knew. Trevor was rude to us, Doria said without further explanation. He did bad things. Thomas was confused, thinking that Meg had possibly made something up or he had misjudged Trevor. Meg's best friend later confirmed that she ended the marriage just because she didn't get an Oscar invite despite being married to Trevor. He was rude to Meg because he didn't want to share the Oscar spotlight. Meg couldn't forgive being left out on Oscar night and was devastated. Leslie Engelson was particularly hurt. Meghan's coldness made them both deeply unhappy. The pain was compounded after Meghan posted photos of herself on April 8 at a hockey game at the Air Canada Centre where she was watching Michael Dell and other members of the hockey team. She also made it clear that she wanted to marry a hockey player. When asked about it, she laughed and said no. Player Del Zotto, a Canadian hockey star 9 years her junior, was her favorite. Her affections for Del Zotto, she wrote, were the best. On April 22, she posted more photos of herself watching Del Zotto play at Madison Square Garden in New York. Both denied a relationship, but Leslie Engelson was not convinced. In the closed world she lives in, she has stated that daughters-in-law are not unfaithful. The Engelsons blamed Trevor's mistake on Mario Gol, who had no sense of loyalty to a new family. Though Trevor resisted invitations to explain, he confided to a friend that home life with Meghan was completely different from the demure young woman who blinked her eyes at the TV screens. Marrying a dramatic, temperamental, and demanding actress who wanted a role in his films had been a major challenge for him. Marriage is generally seen as a long-term commitment, based on love, respect, and trust, in which the couple shares their lives and builds a future together. But is this what Meghan has on her mind? The impression she gives is that marriage is just a business opportunity. Do you agree or not?
Meghan moved quickly to end the marriage and filed for divorce on August 7, 2013, citing irreconcilable differences.
In just 2 weeks, divorce papers were filed. After the divorce, Trevor went through a transformation. For a few months, he was involved with Charlotte McKinney, a blonde male health model, and then ended up marrying Tracy Corland, the daughter of a billionaire. In Los Angeles, he became the center of attention because of his association with Meghan, and he was often seen driving a particularly flashy sports car. Don't wait any longer to start living your best life. Try our product today and experience the effortless and easy weight loss you've always dreamed of. Say goodbye to the old and hello to the new you. Link below. Thanks, see you next time.